In question 9, we've been given the facts that 70% of those asked wanted to buy a new television. And then of those, in other words, the 70%, 80% of those people wanted a television with a large screen. What percentage of the people that were asked want a television with a large screen? Well, 70% means that 0.7 of those asked wanted a new television, and of those, 0.8 wanted to have a television with a large screen. So we simply multiply 0.7 by 0.8. So those wanting a large screen, 0.7 times 0.8, and this is 0.56. And if we wanted that back in percentages, this is 56%. And that's your answer.